So we first of all go to the QR code. So let me just take a photo of the QR code, like so, and that will navigate straight onto the data capture viewer, which you can see here on screen. You can see that it comes up with the layer list there. You've got the three different feature layers. You've got a points data set, a lines data set, and a polygon data set, depending on what features you'd like to capture. So this automatically populates as soon as you open the app, so you can just close that with the close button. And if you'd like to capture data, just zoom into the area. That's just coming up because my finger's touching the screen. I'm just picking an example area here. So you can then press on the edit button, which is the fourth button in at the top there, and you come up with the edit menu, and you can basically choose the type of feature you want to edit. So you can edit a point, a line, or a polygon. So I'm going to draw a polygon, so I click on the polygon option, and then you can just tuck that menu away, and then you can just draw a polygon area just by clicking around the general area, and then just double click to finish, and then it asks you to put an ID in. You can just give it an arbitrary number if you wish. ID 1, description, I don't know, I guess you could put a seagrass area, and you can also add a photo if you want. I won't do one now, but basically you just choose a file. You can either choose one from a library or take a photo, and it will attach that photo to it, and then you just press save. And then if I just close that form, you can see that that area is now drawn on the map. And you can see that the edit menu is tucked down at the bottom there. So if you want to edit a new feature, you just click on the up arrows and you look for a template. So for instance, I want to do a point. Click on that. Then I can just hide that menu again. Click on an area that I wish to put the point. For instance, there. Again, it comes up with the ID field. You can add in a number if you wish. And then a description, and no point of interest, and then press done. Again, you can add a photo if you wish, and then just press save, and then close. And there you can see you have the point feature as well. If you want to delete features, you can just tap on the feature itself, and you can press delete. And it's gone. So if I tap on that one, delete, and it's gone. And that's it. That's how you edit the features. And then you can obviously see what everyone's collecting back in the office on the laptop. If you wish, you can just use the same link to access the viewer there. And that's it. We just press close. Again, you've got some measurements as well here. You've got a measurement option. It gives you the length there. You can measure area or length. You've also got a base mapping option. You can choose a different base map. So you might want OpenStreetMap instead. Let me just clear that measurement there. So it will always open on the aerial imagery, but you can change it in here. You do have a print option, which is probably more suitable if you're using it from the laptop, obviously. But yeah, the edit menu is that top fourth button. Okay, that's it. Thank you.